Welcome back in today's video. In today's video, we will talk about and discuss things related with life, spirituality, love, and many important issues, which is very much important for life. So, let's start. What is God and how we can achieve God, or how we can be free, how we can achieve nirvana, how we can achieve mukti, how we can achieve moksha. Firstly, we need to know who is God and what is God. Whatsoever, there have been many uh, various views of many religious people and leaders. There are ultimately one very specific and exact meaning of what is actually everything and God. God is not that we can see. God is not that we can touch, we can listen, and we can touch. God always, after touching, it is still untouched. After seeing, it will still be unseen. After meeting, it will be still like never met. What is God? In different religions, people have a different opinions and image of God. In Hindu dharma, in Hindu religion, people say nature is God, and there have been many forms of God. In Hinduism, it is said that there are innumerable gods, but the three main god are Vishnu, Brahma, Mahesh. They worship God in the form of idols, like sculptures, and sculptures are in generally temples. They say that Vishnu is God, and Vishnu is taking care of all things, managing all things without even managing anything. Everything is actually managed by itself, the nature. God is absolutely formless. There is no any form of him. It is just like a happening all creation, all world itself with the force of nature. There is no way to reach the God because all way will lead to only hell. You will always be in the hell when you will try to do something or wish for something. Every doing will be the birth of ego. Every thinking, any actions will lead to only again returning to the hell. So there is a no God. People say that in Islam Dharma there is only one God, that is Allah, and Pagambar is the messenger of Allah who is preaching about Islam to the all world's people possible. This is in Islam. They said there is no form of God and only is Allah, real God. As Hindus people worship God in the idols, in the sculptures, in the statues, right? So Islam religion is against of it. Like it is restricted to worship any sculptures in Islam. While if you go to look for other many religions like Buddhism, Christian, and Jainism, right? And there are many other, but these are very main religious institutions or form of spirituality group people, right? So there is actually no God. Actually, reality is that there is no God. There is only one force, which is very eminent, very main cause of happening of all this creation, and it is happening itself. There is no force and there is no efforts being put. Okay, there is a no God, and how? Because if you say there is a no God, it means there is God everywhere. You know, it means God everywhere. We cannot say that this is not God. If we say that this is not God, so what is remaining? What is that? That must be the God. So that's why you say there is no God. Okay, that's it from me. uh, I hope you will like this content and explanation about God. Thank you so much for watching us. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care of yourself and keep watching our videos and keep sharing the video and link to other people and of your friends. Thank you so much. See you again.